Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 crypto exchange. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 1. Binance. Binance is one of the popular exchanges in the digital space. This crypto exchange was founded in 2017. This cryptocurrency exchange initiates crypto-to-crypto trading where it comprises more than 500 cryptocurrencies and other virtual tokens. The most commonly traded cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin BTC, Ether ETH, Litecoin LTC, Dogecoin Doge, etc. And most importantly, the Binance platform trades its native token called Binance Coin BNB. The interesting part of this platform is that it provides a crypto wallet for traders to securely store their electronic funds without having to worry about complications. The Binance exchange enables the user to earn interest using the cryptocurrencies as well. 2. FTX. Fast-growing FTX, valued at $32 billion, led by 29-year-old wonderkin Sam Bankman-Fried, has quickly become one of the largest exchanges in the world by volume, largely by tapping the crypto derivatives market. It already owns regulated entities in the US and Japan and operates in 100+ countries around the world. Tom Brady, Stephen Curry, Gisele Bündchen, David Ortiz, and Kevin O'Leary are paid endorsers. 3. Huobi. Founded in 2013 in China, Huobi caters towards intermediate and advanced traders. Aside from offering spot markets for 200+ assets, the firm also provides derivatives, margin services, an OTC desk, and prime brokerage. It has faced accusations of wash trading. It closed all China business in 2021 and now runs its operations out of Singapore. It is regulated in Japan, Gibraltar, and Luxembourg. 4. KuCoin. Launched in 2017, KuCoin has become a market-leading cryptocurrency exchange that hosts over 200+ cryptocurrencies. To accompany the expansive range of cryptocurrencies, KuCoin offers users a range of features, including margin trading, futures trading, peer-to-peer exchange, instant purchases and staking. For the crypto variety, KuCoin is a clear choice. 5. Gate.io. Gate.io is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that is proficient in providing market data to the users at real time. This provides information to the user regarding the current price, trading volume, price movements, and liquidity data of all the integrated altcoins. This platform is a very unique one in the digital space. Thanks for watching.